Hello, I'm in a 2013 Ford Focus, and today I'm going to show you how to refill your gas. So from the driver's side here, we'll go around to the passenger side. And then from here, you should just see this cover that you'll lift open. And then from here, this easy fill cap. If you're at a gas pump, you can just stick in like normal and refill with your regular unleaded. I like using 87. Make sure you're using the proper gas though. And when you're done, this is set up for special emissions, so you don't have to have a normal gas cap. But if you're here with just like a gas can trying to fill, typically on these, especially these Ford models, you have to go in the trunk and then find this little white funnel. These are specially made for these easy fill caps. So you stick this in, and then from your gas can you'll pour straight into this, because otherwise the way this is made, if you just try to use a gas can straight into this, you're probably gonna see it just pulling right under the road underneath. So anyways, I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.